Hi friends, welcome to Moscow CBSE YouTube channel. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our new videos. Today, let us see about soil erosion and soil conservation. Please do check the description box for the basics of soil. So kids, what is soil erosion? The removal of top layer of the soil is called as soil erosion. What this soil erosion causes? It makes the land infertile. The main cause of the soil erosion is deforestation. When the trees are cut, the roots are dried and so they become loose and hence the soil are easily blown by the wind and water. Now let us see what are the causes of soil erosion. There are mainly four main causes of the soil erosion. First, erosion by water, erosion by wind, deforestation and overgrazing by animals. So now let us see erosion by water. When there is a heavy rain or the flood, water flows at a greater speed from the mountains, during which they also carry away the top layer of the soil, causing soil erosion. As a result, it may lead to landslide. When this flowing water reaches the plain area, they deposit the soil under the river. This is termed as silting. Over a long period of the time, when this process continues, it changes the direction of the river, leading to the flood and causes damage to life and property. Next, erosion by wind. Strong wind washes away the topsoil. This occurs mainly in the desert region. Next, erosion due to human activities. Deforestation. Deforestation is clearing large area of the land for human welfare. Why they are clearing this large area of the land? To build malls, factories, making furniture and using wood as a fuel. During deforestation, the roots are dry and hence the soil becomes loose. As a result, they are easily washed away by wind and water. As a result, the fertility of the soil is lost and it couldn't support vegetation. Next, erosion is due to animals. Overgrazing. When the cattle and other animals eat the plant cover, the soil becomes exposed and it leads to increased soil erosion, decrease in the land fertility and decrease in the crop production. So kids, now let us see about soil conservation. Soil conservation, in simple terms we can say that preventing the loss of topmost layer of the soil from erosion. And here you can see some methods of soil conservation. First one is afforestation, soil cover, shelter bed, terrace farming and embankment. So kids, what is afforestation? It is the opposite of deforestation. Deforestation is cutting of trees. Afforestation is planting of trees. Here what they will do is that they will establish new forests by either sowing seeds or by saplings and monitor them until they grow into a new trees. So the next way of soil conservation is soil cover. So the definition is soil cover. It is covering of the land with the crop residues and by growing crops. What crops they will grow? They will simply grow only grass. What this grass roots will do? They will hold the soil tightly and hence it will prevent the washing away of the soil from strong winds and water. So what is the result of the soil cover? It will increase the soil health, the nutrients are retained and there will be decrease in the weed production and it controls the soil erosion. So the next way to conserve the soil is by shelter belt. Shelter belt, it is also called as windbreaker. So in this process, what they will know kids, they will plant one or more trees or simply the shrubs in a line along the edge of the farm, that too in the opposite direction of the wind. So the strong wind, it will not affect the plantation crops. The next way is terrace farming. It is also called as step farming. We can see this type of farming mainly in the mountain areas and slopes of the hills. So in the terrace farming, when it rains, the excess water will flow through each step through an outlet. As a result, there will not be any flooding. So there is no soil erosion too. So the final method of soil conservation is embankment or artificial ridges. So in this method, kids, on both the sides of the river, they will increase the height of the land using the rocks so that water will flow in a single direction. This will prevent flooding. So kids, now we came to the end of the session. I think you will be cleared on the basic concepts of soil erosion and soil conservation. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe Morescore CBSE for more such interesting videos. Thank you.